In today's video, I am going to teach you how to convert number to words in Google Sheets. This is incredibly useful for invoices, checks, receipts, or any report where you want numbers to appear as readable words instead of digits. First, we need to install a small add-on that makes this possible. Open your Google Sheet so you are looking at the spreadsheet you want to work with. At the top of the screen, click Extensions. From there, choose Add-ons, then Get Add-ons. This opens the Google Workspace Marketplace. In the search bar, type number text. When you see the number text add-on, select it and click Install. Follow the on-screen prompts to finish. Once it's installed, it quietly adds a new function to your spreadsheet. Just like the built-in functions you already know. So you can use it right in your cells. Now let's convert a number to words. Click into any empty cell where you want the words to appear. Type the formula FA number text and open a parenthesis. You can reference a cell that contains a number. Press Enter. Instantly, the number is converted to text. For example, 123 becomes 123. A few quick tips to make this smooth. It's best to store your numbers in their own cells and use a reference, so your sheet stays easy to update. If you change the number in that original cell, the words will update automatically wherever you use the formula. If you see an error, double-check that you spelled number text correctly, that you included the parentheses, and that the reference cell actually contains a number. You can copy the formula down a column to convert a whole list at once. Just drag the fill handle or copy and paste, and each row will convert its corresponding number into words. It's a fast way to keep your documents professional and consistent without manual typing. That's it. Thanks for watching.